Hello my dear students, once again welcome back for chemistry online class. Today we will begin new chapter in chemistry, that is chapter 3, elements, compounds and mixtures. Today I would like to explain you atoms and molecules, elements, characteristic of elements and classification of elements. For this you can refer to page number 30 and 31 in your textbook. Before I start this, I would like to recapitulate that we have done in previous class. As you know that all the material is made up of matter. Now, you know that what is matter. Matter is anything that occupies space, has mass and which can be perceived by our senses. Matter exists as solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas, these are the three physical states of matter. Matter can be classified as pure substance and impure substance. Now what is pure substance? A pure substance is a kind of matter which consists of same type of particles further which cannot be broken down into simpler substances. Impure substances, these are the substances which are made up of two or more elements or compounds which are present in any proportion. Mixtures are impure substances. Now here pure substance can be classified as elements and compounds. That means elements and compounds are pure substances. Here mixtures are impure substances. Mixtures can be classified as homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Now let's move on to today's topic. Atoms and molecules. What is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of an element which may or may not have independent existence. Whereas molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound which has an independent existence. An atom consists of nucleus and electron. Now what is nucleus? Nucleus is the central part of an atom. It contains protons and neutrons. Protons are the positively charged particles of an atom and neutrons are the neutral particles of an atom, and electrons are the negatively charged particles of an atom which are found in the orbit or the cells of an atom. Orbit or the cells of an atom are the imaginary part. Now next, your molecule consists of atoms of the same element or the atoms of the two or more different kind of elements. Now next, your elements. Element is a pure substance made up of only one kind of atom or similar kind of atoms. Further, they cannot be broken down into simpler substances. Now next, your characteristic of elements. An element is a pure substance. An element is made up of only one kind of atom. An element may be found in nature or can be prepared artificially. And elements can exist all the three physical states, that is solid, liquid and gas. Now next, your classification of elements. Elements can be classified as metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. Now what are metals? Elements which have shining surfaces. Malleable, that malleable means which can be beaten into thin film. Ductile means which can be drawn into thin wire. Good conductor of heat and electricity. And have 1, 2, 3 valence electrons are called metals. All the examples of metals, as you can see here, sodium, magnesium, copper, iron, potassium, zinc, calcium are the examples of metals. Now non-metals, elements which have dull surfaces, that means they do not reflect the light non-malleable, non-ductile, bad conductor of heat and electricity, but are good insulators and have 4, 5, 6 or 7 valence electrons are called non-metals. Here carbon, sulfur, hydrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, nitrogen, chlorine are the examples of non-metals. Now next here, metalloids. Elements which have the properties of both metals and non-metals are called metalloids. And here arsenic, boron, silicon, antimony, germanium, etc. are the examples of metalloids. Now next here, noble gases. Elements which are chemically inactive or unreactive. That means they do not react with other elements due to their stable electronic configuration are called noble gases. Noble gases are also known as inert or rare gases. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, etc. are the examples of noble gases. Dear children, here we have come to the end of today's online class. Thank you very much.